Physics and possibilities. Hi, I'm Maria. Today I'll be talking to you about this topic. Have you guys seen this movie before? Probably not. It's from 2010. It's called The A-Team. Do you know who Perk Wilson from The Conjuring or Aquaman? Right, yes. Anyway, he began in this movie long before the other two movies happened, and he is part of a team who magically survived a plane attack. So when the plane got destroyed and everyone thought they died, ended up in a tank and flew it to safety. So that is why it is called the A-Team. They work as a team to get to safety, landing it on the lake. So this is where the bad physics happen. So you gotta check this out.
Okay, they're coming in! Launching countermeasures! Whoa! Tango reacquired.
Missile away, sir.
When the tank falls out of the plane would have been at an altitude of 200 feet. Because the only plane that is able to hold up a M1 tank is the C5 Galaxy. Since we know that the tank falls off the plane, the initial velocity is 0.
What you got, bitches? What you got? Oh, Jesus!
Through my thorough research, the M1 tank has a mass of 63,000 kilograms. SpaceX Dragon capsule drop. The writers who created the scene copied from the military specs, which is one of the parachutes has a frictional force of 1.5. Cannon from the M1 tank shoots cannons that weigh 10 kilograms in 3 seconds. This scene you will see they shoot this cannon 5 times. The tank started to fall at around 109 and landed in the water at 452. And according to my calculations, it took 3 minutes and 36 seconds fall. However, to convert it to seconds, it looks like it is 216 seconds for it to fall. Despite knowing physics, the A-Team managed to land safely by rapidly firing tanks into the water to slow down their fall. Even so, the force of a single tank round is not greater than the falling tank force at very high speeds. The tank model typically holds 30 rounds of bullets. This means they do not fire enough ammo to slow down their speed. Only if they had obeyed the laws of physics, the midpoint movie scene would have been their real ending. Mathematics. We use the following formulas to find time, final velocity, and distance. The formula I use for forces is the force acting on the tank, the force of the bullet, this is the average force over the time of the bullet firing, net force, the tank is the difference between the force of gravity and the force of the bullet. Energy. Formula. Tank's potential energy is the initial height. And then since it converts to kinematic, it has the same exact number. To find out if the people and the tank survived, we need to calculate the g-force before and after and impact with the water. To find the g-force after impact, we need to find the impact force using the kinematics energy, converting it to newtons. When we can use the newtons to calculate the g-force. If the g-force of the impact is greater than 6, according to Google, they will not survive the impact. Although they survived the air resistance, they couldn't not survive the impact. The 18 chances of survival are extremely slim. The impact force and the lack of proper restraints would make it almost impossible to survive such a fall. So do you think that this scene in the A-Team is physically impossible? Hi, I'm Maria Geneva, and I just taught you